Well, dry and windy weather is creating dangerous conditions across southwest Missouri, and fire crews say even a small spark can turn into a brush fire. The Nixa Fire Protection District says they've not seen as many fires as other parts of the region, but conditions are getting worse. Doreen Abaya of Ozarks First, our reporter, is live outside tonight to explain how quickly a small fire can spread. Doreen.
Jesse, I'm behind the Ozarks First studio building where we have a lot of brush. And this is the type of brush that could fuel fire that will spread through a shed and possibly your home.
Most of the time here in southwest Missouri, the humidity and the weather conditions are not really prone to a lot of out-of-control fires.
Nixa Fire Chief Whitney Weaver says even a short dry spell can create risk.
These fuels and this grass and vegetation that is dead or dormant can dry up very quickly. The snow, in fact, has probably added nitrogen to the ground that will actually make it burn faster.
Most brush fires start with simple mistakes. Chief Meteorologist Jamie Warner says the weather pattern is making weather conditions even more dangerous.
We've got this ongoing drought. I mean, it really got going back last summer, and it's continued through the fall and the winter. And since the beginning of the year, we've only had about an inch of rainfall or snowfall. That's an issue.
Rain this weekend will help, but not for long.
Even if you had a big rain in February, things can dry out very quickly as you move into the month of March if you don't get any additional rainfall. And with these big windstorms coming out, like we'll see as we move into the spring, those ingredients will be in place to generate elevated fire concerns.
Firefighters say it will take a lot of rain to put a dent on the drought, and they're asking people to be mindful when burning outdoors. Reporting live here in Springfield, Doreen Abaya, Ozarks First.